Hey guys, what's going on? So check out what I just designed just now. This is an origami fly. And it's got a body here, and it's got nice big old wings here, eyes, and a nice shaped body, and it's 3D, kinda. Yep, and this is what the underside looks like. And yeah. And this model does fly. Check it out. So here it is, and this guy does fly. It can be a flicker. See, it spins a lot in the air like that. It's not a good flicker because it's got all these edges here, but it that shows that it does fly though. Cause see it does fly and spin in the air a little bit. Yep. All right, would you like to learn how to make it? Ready, set, here goes. Okay, so for this fly, I'm going to use a sheet of 6-inch kami. So let's begin with the white side up, and let's fold in half. Try to make very precise folds, and crease sharply. Unfold, and fold in half this way. We're making a water bomb base. Okay, and now fold this corner to here. And turn over, and repeat. And open the pocket here, bring the sides together, and flatten. And there is the water bomb base. Okay, and now take these 2 points and fold them to the top. Okay, like this. These are going to be the 2 wings right here. And turn over and take these 2 edges and fold them to the middle. Alright, and turn over on this side. So these are going to be the 2 wings, and these are going to be the 2 eyes. So let's work on the eyes first. So let's take these 2 points and fold them to this point. And we can do one at a time here. Okay, and now open this thing here and squash. Alright, and fold the flap up like this. And there's one eye. And repeat on this side. Just trying to get the pocket open here, it's not cooperating. Ah, there you go, got it. And fold the flap like this. And there's the eyes. Okay. And now let's go ahead and start working on the wings. So, take this edge and fold it to here. Okay, and open, like this. And squash it so this raw corner touches this line. Like that. And fold this flap up in between these 2 points, like this. Alright. And let's repeat all that on this side. So fold this edge to this edge. And open and squash. And fold the flap up in between those 2 points. Okay. So if you like the wings like this, then you don't need to do this, but we can round the wings to taste, and we can actually go ahead and do that now. So let's just, if you want, you can just round them just like that. Just round them to taste if you want. This is optional. Just fold the corners into taste. This. Same on this wing too. See? And now they look a lot better. Oh look, it's a heart. Perfect for Valentine's Day. No, it's not Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day is still a long ways away from now. It's gonna be a while until I teach heart models. Okay, turn over, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this. Actually, before we narrow this, let's narrow this part off first. Let's narrow the body. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this corner and we're gonna fold it up. The guide mark is actually, you kind of have to lift this flap up here. We're gonna take this corner and we're gonna fold it to that point where those two edges meet. Now you can refold this down like this and fold this corner to that point. And try and hold the layers down so they don't slide. Okay, like that. See? And now that looks a lot better. And we can shape it at the end. So now let's narrow this part out. So turn over, and we're going to take this flap and we're going to fold it up right on that point. Right there. Just fold it up as far as it goes. And try and make the fold parallel with the middle line. Increase that sharp, make sure everything stays down, and repeat on this side. Fold it up as far as it goes, so we're folding right on the point, and make the fold parallel with the middle. Like that, see? So here we have the fly taking shape, and it's actually nice just like this. See, this is a nice clean fly. It's got the body here, and the two eyes and the nice wings, so if you want to end here, it's pretty cool just like this. But we can shape it a lot better by making it like this. So to do that, here's what we're going to do. So let's first shape this first. So let's first narrow it. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn over on this side. Let's unfold this flap. And we're going to take this edge and fold it up right over this edge. I mean, you don't have to narrow it if you don't want to. You need to do this, but I think it looks nice when it's narrowed. So yeah, fold this edge up over the edge. And just put your finger all the way into that pocket just to make sure it stays open properly. And we're going to squash it. And we're folding on that existing fold right there. And when we squash it, we're making a new fold right here. Like that. Oh. Hold on, the paper is kind of misaligning. I wasn't paying attention. It was kind of misaligning right there. Okay, like that. And repeat on this side. So unfold and open this pocket here. Fold this edge over this edge. So we're folding this edge to the middle. Like this. Make sure it comes to a nice point right there. And squash, and we're folding on that same fold. And we're making a new fold right here. Okay, just like that, see? And now it's narrowed out. Oh, maybe if this was yellow or something, this could be like a bee or something. This could be the stinger. You can maybe try and really narrow it out like this or so. See? Oh yeah, you can make it into a stinger like that. So that'll be like a bee. But no, we're not making a bee, we're making a fly. So now we're going to put the lines on the body. So turn over on this side and fold this up. And the paper does get a little bit thick here. But yeah, fold it up as far as it goes, like this. And you can just make however many lines you want. This is to taste. And I'm going to fold this point to here. I'm going to divide this into, I'm going to try and divide it into 8. Unfold it, I'm going to fold it up so the creases align. Just do it to taste. I'll do less lines on your first try. Actually, I'm going to divide it into 4 first. And then I'm going to put some pleats in between. So, let's see. I'm going to fold on that. Fold, and I'm going to make a pleat fold. So I'm going to fold that edge up halfway towards the next crease. Just do it to taste. Like this. It's about like that, and then go on to the next one. This is probably the hardest part of the whole model. This might be easier if you use 10-inch paper for this, or bigger paper. Like that, and just make pleats to taste. God, this is tricky. Okay, there you go. There, good enough. Perfect. That's perfect right there. See? And there we have the body. Okay, and now if you want, you can three-dimensionalize this by putting a couple curved mountain folds on here to taste. Just shape it to taste, three-dimensionalize it like this. Alright. And once you did that, there is your fly. Maybe you can make the eyes kind of more out like this. And there's the fly. And I think he's pretty cool looking. Yeah, and he does sort of fly a little bit. He flies kind of like a flicker, like I showed in the intro. But you know, it's not meant to be a flicker though, because it's got all these edges here. It doesn't go that far. Because you know, these edges, I think they pick up the air and it makes it stop. But yeah, remember the key thing about flickers is that they fly best when it's one folded edge, all the way around. Think of like a tato, like the tato technique I use. So yeah, there it is. Alright, well, I hope you guys were able to fold this, and make sure you subscribe, and let me know what you think. Alright, have a fly-rific day. Alright, bye guys.